Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel Tricky Person. Today I am going to explain inequalities in some tricky ways. Friend, this is my new channel, so do subscribe it and like the video. Let's start the video. As we know that inequalities is very important topic for the students who are preparing for bank exams and other campus recruitment drives. The weightage of this topic is 5 marks in bank exams and in campus recruitment drives, its weightage is nearly about 4 to 8 marks. So, in the inequalities section, there will be three parts. In part 1, I will deal with basis concept that will be used in inequalities. And second, we will discuss either and neither cases. And third one, we will discuss about coded inequalities. So let's start the session. Basic concept. So here we use gate concept for solving it in 20 seconds. So gate concept, what is the gate concept? As we know inequalities, there are three symbols: greater than, less than, and equal to. The symbol greater than, where this symbol will be greater than, means the gate is open from there. This is greater than and this is open, so there can be pass. Less than, this is symbol less than, so nobody can pass from the gate. Equal to, hereby and thereby also. So let's discuss one example first. You can see this question. So first of all, it is not necessary to first see the question, first see the conclusion. So here a greater than d, so what is represent? We have to go d from a to d. Okay, so we have to choose path from a to b, open gate, b to c, open gate, c to d, both side gate and open gate. So the conclusion is true, this is true. So in the next conclusion, it is saying that we have to go f to b. So let's start from f to e. The gate is closed, so here the conclusion failed, this conclusion is wrong. Let's see the next question. The conclusion a greater than d, so we have to go d from a. Let's see, from a to d there is no close gate, so this is true, this conclusion is true. We have to go in this f to I to f. So where is I h g, yeah, this is also true, this conclusion is also true. So solve for second, and note when there will be symbol that greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, at every point equal to must not be missing, equal to must not be missing. If equal to will miss, the conclusion will be false. Okay, let's see the question. D to F. D to F. So D and equal to is not missing and equal to. So this conclusion is true, and we have to go from G to J to G. Equal to must not be missed. So here is J, and first step equal to has been missed, so this will be wrong.